Hey guys, so today I just wanted to jump on and show you a little bit of a trick that I've been using lately because my skin is a little bit wonky, a little bit weird, and my makeup hasn't been staying on very well. So I put my cream on today. I lost my brush. Really thickly, and you guys can see on my chin, it's pretty thick. Under my eyes, it's pretty thick and a little cakey. So I stippled it on my highlight color. I didn't do this with my contour color, just my highlight color. I stippled it on really thick and kind of cakey, and I am letting it sit on my face for probably about 5 minutes in something called baking. So you may have heard baking as a term used for baking your makeup with a setting powder after you put it on, but I'm actually baking the cream on my face, and then I am going to blend it out after it bakes on my skin for a while. Really warms up and becomes really pliable and smooth and wonderful, and that's when I'll bake it into my skin, or I'll blend it into my skin after the baking. So I'll be back in about 5. Okay, 5 minutes is up. As you can see, still got the thick makeup on, but I'm just gonna take my damp Perfector sponge, damp, not wet. I got this wet, wrung it out before I started my makeup, and now it's damp. It's not leaving any moisture on my skin, but it's damp to the touch. Okay, so as you can see, it got off excess highlight or foundation and not looking quite so cakey anymore. Just really good coverage of foundation. This is generally a heavier coverage, so I usually only do this on days when I feel like I need a little bit of heavier coverage, or I have some kind of event or something going on. So now I'm going to take my Stay Spray with SPF. I'm going to spray that on my Perfector. I'm just going to lightly go over one more time. And I like doing it this way rather than spraying the Stay Spray right on my face, because this way I'm pressing the Stay Spray into the makeup and giving like a really good, solid, even coat. Now I'm gonna finish off the rest of my face.